Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change shipping time on TikTok Shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your TikTok Shop account, which of course I have done right here. Now, with TikTok Shop, I'd like you to know that you can grow your business tremendously. With TikTok Shop, you can also tap into TikTok's vibrant, engaged global community to build your business and turn discovery into purchase. So now that we know a bit of what TikTok Shop is about, quick hop into this task, which is how to change shipping time on TikTok Shop. Now, there's no direct prompt in the application itself that can allow you to change your shipping time, but you can request via the contact center or the center or the help center. You can contact them to extend the shipping time using the 48 hours window that they have. So let's go ahead and take help. Top right corner, click on help and click on help center. So in here, you're going to see this how we can help, and you have this communication box. So go ahead and type in extend shipping time and you have these options here. So are there any circumstances under which I can extend the 48-hour response time for awaiting action request? Click on that. So I'm going to, all right, so are there circumstances under which I can extend the 48-hour response time for awaiting action request? It says no. TikTok Shop will auto approve buyers' requests in 48 hours if sellers do not respond. Okay, so how do you request for an extension in shipping time? So if you cannot fulfill an order for any reason, it's important to cancel it as possible to avoid any negative impacts on your account. So on TikTok Shop, orders not shipped within 48 hours will be automatically cancelled. This helps ensure buyers receive their orders promptly and reduces the risk of dispute or negative feedback. Now, if you cannot, as a seller, fulfill an order within 24-hour time frame, you can contact the buyer to explain the situation and offer a resolution. And if the buyer agrees to wait for the order to be shipped, then you can contact TikTok Shop to request an extension of the 48-hour shipping requirement. So that's pretty much it. So you can just contact the seller, contact the buyer and explain, and if the buyer agrees, then contact TikTok Shop to request an extension of the 48-hour shipping requirement. And how do you do that? This is the help center. So the help center actually allows you to, so I'm going back to help center, so need more support. So if you can do that, so just head over to need more support and go to online support. So to go to online support, just let them know that you want them to extend the 48-hour shipping extension. So send a personal message, enter this communication box and let them know that you want them to extend your shipping time. And you've already spoken with the buyer and the buyer already agrees. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.